Follow-up calls, right? They give us so much anxiety. We hate doing it. Let me give you a couple examples of how you can supercharge your follow-up right now. Number one, stop dropping F-bombs. Stop saying, hey, I'm just following up. I'm just checking in. It's not skillful. It's weak. It's pathetic. Eliminate following up and checking in from your vocabulary. Here's the first thing I want you to do. If you've set a next step with somebody, start that follow-up call with as promised. Hey, Tom, as promised, it's 2 p.m. on Thursday. Calling to see if it makes sense to sign the agreement on the software package. No following up, no checking in, just an as promised, does it make sense? If you haven't set a next step, just jump right into does it make sense? Hey, Tom, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, calling to see if it makes sense to sign the agreement on the sales coaching. Hey, Monica, it's Pam calling to see if it makes sense to have you schedule a tour of the condo we wanted to show you. Whatever it is you want that person to do, ask them if it makes sense to do it. Why would you say that? Here's why. If I say, do you want to sign the contract? Or worse, I'm following up to see if you want to sign the contract, you can reject me on signing the contract. But if I simply change my vocabulary to does it make sense, I'm not being pushy. I'm not being manipulative. It's a lot easier for you to give me an answer, and I'm not putting myself in a position for you to reject me on looking at the condo or signing the contract. Because does it make sense is a timing question. And if you say no to a timing question, it perfectly positions me to say, what's a good next step then? So, hey, Tom, Matt Easton, as promised, 2 p.m. on Thursday, calling to see if it makes sense to sign the contract. Oh, no, it doesn't. Got it. What's a good next step then? I need our CFO to look at it. He didn't have time. He's going to do that this afternoon. Can you call me back at 5? Absolutely. I'll call you at 5 p.m. if I haven't heard from you before then. Fair enough? Boom. No following up. No checking in. No hope you're having a great day. Be streamlined, be effective. As promised, does it make sense? Or just, does it make sense to blank? Fill in the blank with whatever you want them to do. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.